I want to ask you that there are two options. One for is good news and one is bad news. So
I don't want the bad news. Just give me the good news.
okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So first good news is
okay, anyway, what's the bad news?
and bad news is
oh, they are so cute.
yes, but
not
more than you. But not more than you.
Great answer. Hey. No, it's not working. I think you're not plugged in. Oh, now I hear an echo of me.
Oh, it's okay.
No?
Now.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Actually, I put off my earphone because I think earphone is not working. Why is it happening today? I don't know.
I don't know either, but there's an echo. I hear myself. Okay, that's fine. So, what's going on? What's new?
New is nothing new, but I have two story for you.
Oh,
Two
yeah,
news.
great.
Okay, that is first news is bad news, and second one is good. So which
Is
one?
it about children or animals or old people?
My grandmother?
Oh, what happened?
No.
No.
No. I want to ask you that there are two options. One for is good news and one is bad news. So
I don't want the bad news. Just give me the good news.
okay, so you have to listen. You have to listen the second one also. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So first good news is today I have no any bad news.
Okay, anyway, what's the bad news?
And bad news is today I have no good news.
Oh, that's cute.
Now I am drinking tea. Here is my cup.
Okay.
And actually I forget to add sugar
You
into it.
put sugar in your tea?
Yes. So that's why
Ew.
it quite bitter.
Oh, I don't like sugar. I feel like it tastes like chemicals in my beverage.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I do. I love tea. I love coffee. I love coffee more than I love tea, but I don't put sugar in anything.
Oh yes, actually you are so health conscious because consuming sugar is too much is too bad for health.
Yeah, it's very bad. Actually, everybody knows this story about me, but when I first quit sugar, it was years ago. I quit sugar and I lost like 4 pounds. Like immediately, I lost 4 pounds. Oh, 4 pounds is like almost 2 kilos.
Oh, 2 kilo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do
And
you use pounds or kilos in your country?
yeah, here kilo or kilogram is used for
Oh, okay.
measuring.
And if I ask you, like, how tall are you? What do you say?
How
How tall are you?
tall? Oh, 5 feet and 6 inches.
Okay,
Five.
so you use feet to
Yes.
measure height, but you use kilos to measure weight.
Wait.
Okay.
Yes. Kilogram,
Okay. You don't
milligram.
use like Like meters?
Yes, yes, meter. Meter is used for measuring clothes, especially clothes.
Okay. But not heights of a person.
Yes, but sometimes we can use it, but usually people speak in feet.
Okay. Wait, so
Okay, yeah. Can you share that? What is your height?
in feet, I almost.
5'5".
Yeah, I'm almost 5'5".
Oh, great.
Um, Wait, so when you're driving, for example, do you use miles or kilometers?
Both, both.
Both.
Hmm.
What do you mean? Like on the road, the signs say, for
That
example,
is in the car. In the car, the timer or the sign look is in kilometer, but we can use miles. But kilometer meter is more professional.
it's more professional?
Yes, to easy to
It's more
understand.
commonly used?
Yes, yes, easy to understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Interesting. Okay, because I don't know, but like in America we use like feet and inches and we use miles. But I thought like nobody else in the world used it, you know?
Oh,
Yeah, because everybody pretty much uses like the metric system, you know?
oh, really?
So yeah, like for example, like even like most of the world is using like meters and centimeters and whatever. But in America we use inches and feet. I
Uh,
didn't know you used inches and feet also.
hmm. Yes. So
Yeah.
what's new,
Oh,
Dion?
oh, you know what I want to ask you? I just saw something on Netflix, and I could have sworn the guy was driving like all over the place, but he's on the other side of the road. What side of the road do you drive on in India?
GT Road or
What?
Grand Tank Road? What type of road? I couldn't
No,
understand.
not what type of road. What side of the road do you drive on?
Oh, yeah, left side, left, and the
Okay, yeah.
driver seat in the car, that is in the right side. But when suppose I'm suppose my car is running on, then I am driving in the side of right and to the direction that is in the left. Can you understand my broken English?
Yes, I understand very well. Okay, because Cause okay, so I mean, I know what I saw on the show. I don't know if you ever saw the show The Serpent, but he was driving like it's on Netflix, and he was driving all around the place, and I could have sworn he was driving like you would
Serpent
drive in
snake.
England. Yeah, it's a show on Netflix. It's the title of a show.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, I thought in India you were driving like you would in England because England ruled India for such a long time, so I thought maybe you all drove on the other side of the road, but I guess not. Mm.
Drive. Can you drive car?
Yeah, I
Oh,
have a car.
oh, really? Lovely.
Yeah,
And what about scooty?
I don't have a scooter. No.
Oh, but do you know the how to drive?
How to drive? How to ride a
Yes,
scooter?
yes,
No, I don't. I've never done it before, but I'm sure I can learn.
yes. Yeah, scooty is easy.
You have a scooter?
Yes, I have a scooty,
It's
but
what are you calling it?
not
Scooty?
mine, but my uncle's
Oh, okay. What do you call it?
scooty.
Scooty. That's what it's called?
Hmm.
Ah, okay. How do you spell that? Can you write it down for me?
Okay, okay, yes, yes, sure. Here it is.
Okay, I just need to Google it. Scooty. Interesting. I'm not getting a scooter. Are you sure?
Yeah,
Oh, no,
scooter.
never mind. I misspelled it.
Okay.
Oh, they are so cute.
Yes, yes. But
Oh, they have
not more
pink
than
ones.
you. But not more than you.
Great answer. You know what? I want one. I think I would get everywhere so much faster, especially like
Oh,
in the summertime. I don't think I would use this in the winter.
okay. And
Yeah.
do you
Today,
like it? Do you like it, the scooty?
well, I mean, I like the way it looks in the pictures, but I never rode one before, so I don't know. But today someone told me something really sad. You know how like on the map India looks really green?
Oh,
Like on the map India looks green. Like except for like the Rajasthan area, the
hmm.
rest of it is pretty much green. But someone told me today that it's not the case. It's not green. It's really like because it's also a large landmass. So I know that you have a huge population, but I figured
Hmm.
like you still have like lots of nature and green. But I
Yes,
guess you don't because it's like overpopulated. Is that true? So
I
it's
think
mostly
yeah.
like
India has
there aren't that
diversity.
many
India
trees.
has also a lot of population.
Yeah. Is your area green? Do you have trees? Do you have grass?
Yes, yes, yes. We have.
So why did this person tell me that? I don't know. Are you like really? It's really hot, right? Like you're sweating a lot.
My God, it is extremely hot. I
What is
am
the
sweating.
temperature? What's the temperature?
Temperature, I have to check. Maybe 35.
35. You're so lucky.
Why? Why?
No, I don't like hot. I really don't. But I just want one hot day. Just one, because I miss it. It's cold every day here. I'm
Uh,
so sick of it. You know? Okay, what else is going on?
yeah, the AC is going on.
Even the AC is on and you're still sweating?
What?
The air conditioner is on and you're still sweating?
No, no, I have no air condition.
Are
I
you
have,
serious?
yes, I have just fan, but
A fan.
that is off because I put out the earphone. So I think there should be a great noise
Oh,
while moving. So
I'm so sorry. Turn it on. I don't care about the noise.
okay, okay, TJ, no problem. Just a minute.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my God.
Go
You're
on.
dying over there.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Is it better
so
now?
now it is cooling.
Why don't you have an air conditioner?
Yes, yes. I will manage it.
You have
Actually,
to.
when I want to I want to buy a new air condition by my own money. So after my graduation, I want to buy that
Okay. An air conditioner.
air conditioner.
You
Yes,
want to buy an air conditioner.
or in short AC.
Yeah. I need a new AC.
Lovely. And yeah, you know that I have gotten a lottery today,
A
right now,
lottery? You won the lottery?
right now,
How? What do you mean?
because uh, chatting with you.
Oh my God. Yeah. You know how many things I thought? I'm like, he can buy a car, he can buy an air conditioner
So cute.
in
So
a
cute.
split
Yeah,
second. Oh
there
no.
there is